हेलो बंधुगण केम सब अच्छा पढ़ापढ़ी केम चलती मन दे पढ़ होप हारनी निश्चिंत चाकरी हम यहाँ कंप्यूटर अवेयरनेस कौन ना नेक्स्ट पीयू एग्जाम अच्छी पंचायत एग्जीक्यूटिव ऑफिसर आउ कौन ना ओसीजीएल अच्छी ओडिशा कंबाइंड ग्रेजुएट लेवल एग्जाम भी अच्छी जनवरी में यही सब एग्जाम कंप्यूटर तो गोटे पेपर आसूची तेणु मुझे कौन कली ना बीएसएसओ रो जिते कंप्यूटर पेपर थिला ताको मु गोटे कंबाइन कर डिस्कसन करदे मु गोटे 3, 4, 5 तारिख गोटे करी 3, 4, 5 जो 3 3 शिफ्ट कि 9टा शिफ्ट गोटे करी ये गोटे 9टा शिफ्ट मु क्वेश्चन कर प्रति शिफ्ट 25 क्वेश्चन थिला ये 25 मुझे 3 दिन 6, 7, 8 3 दिन थिला 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ये 6 दिन में परीक्षा होता बीएसएसओ से इंपोर्टाट गोटे देखनी ओके आरंभ करिया हम क्वेश्चन प्रथम क्वेश्चन होची द टर्म एसएसटी एसएसटी रो जो कंप्यूटर स्टोरेज स्टैंड होची तार फुल फॉर्म टा कोन ना एसएसटी रो फुल फॉर्म होची सॉलिड स्टेट ड्राइव ओके सॉलिड स्टेट ड्राइव ये सब फुल फॉर्म टिके पचारि नजर करदेले मन हो जाओ नेक्स्ट वीएलएसआई रो से पचारि कोन वेरी लार्ज स्केल इंटीग्रेशन ऑप्शन नंबर बी वेरी लार्ज स्केल इंटीग्रेशन नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन कोन पचारि व्हिच अमंग द फॉलोइंग फाइल टाइप डज नॉट अलाउ यू टू एडिट किए एडिट करिया को दबनी किए आरटीएफ दब डॉक दब टेक्स्ट दब पीडीएफ दबनी ऑप्शन नंबर डी इज करेक्ट इन डैश द ओरिएंटेशन ऑफ अ डॉक्यूमेंट इज इन्वॉल्व कोथरे ओरिएंटेशन ऑफ अ डॉक्यूमेंट इन्वॉल्व होबो ना पेज सेटअप रे ओरिएंटेशन ऑफ डॉक्यूमेंट इन्वॉल्व होची काम करतो सेठी भलो ताको लागबो तो सी जानिथिबो कर दबो जी नुवा सेठी मन रखियो नजर करियो कोन कोन भलो वर्ड ए सब पेज सेटअप कोन ए कोन टिके देखिले प्रैक्टिस करतलो भलो कथा नल नै टिके देखितले मन रहियो द रिसेंटली विजिटेड वेबसाइट यूआरएल स्टोर्ड ऑन तो मतलब वेबसाइट जाई बुली गिरी आइछ से केमि जानियो जे मु कोठी जाइथिले मन कर मन पहिले मोर सेठी गोटे काम थिला आ जे पड़ो आ मन नथि वेबसाइट नाडा तो सेठी में हिस्ट्री चेक कर दो ऑप्शन नंबर सी हिस्ट्री द डैश फीचर इन वर्ड अलाउज यू टू क्रिएट ए वैरायटी ऑफ डॉक्यूमेंट दैट कैन बी पर्सनलाइज्ड फॉर ईच पर्सन रिसीविंग इट हैला ता कहंदे मेल मर्ज करदेले कौन हम ना जो भी मेल थो मर्ज करदे जहाँ जहाँ पाक पठाया थो गोटे मेल को समझ ना गोटे लिख आज जन गोटे लिख पुणी पठेब एमती कर गोटा को सिलेक्ट करदे समझ पहुँचे चलला है द रो आर लेबुल रो को एमती लिखा जाए लिखा जाए 1, 2, 3 ये लिखा जाए जितना रो हम से अनुसार लिखा कौट एमएस एक्सेल पावर सीट रे सॉरी एमएस एक्सेल स्प्रेडशीट रे मन टिके नजर करियो बुझीजिवो इन एमएस वर्ड स्टाइल ग्रुप जाबे ना एमएस वर्ड रे स्टाइल ग्रुप कोड थाए होम पेज रे थाए ऑप्शन नंबर सी होम पेज होम नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन कोन द इंडेंट दैट कीप्स द फर्स्ट लाइन ऑफ अ पैराग्राफ एट द मार्जिन एंड देन इंडेंटिंग द सब्सिक्वेंट लाइन ऑफ द टेक्स्ट इज हैंगिंग इंडेंट ऑप्शन टिके मन रखि दो ऑप्शन डी ता कहंती हैंगिंग इंडेंट ब्लाइंड्स हॉरिजॉन्टल ब्लाइंड्स वर्टिकल बॉक्स इन बॉक्स आउट आर कौन कहती एमएस पावर पॉइंट रे कहती स्लाइड ट्रांजिशन ऑप्शन नंबर सी टिके नजर कर दो कहती स्लाइड ट्रांजिशन क्या कहती ना ब्लाइंड हॉरिजॉन्टल ब्लाइंड वर्टिकल बॉक्स इन बॉक्स आउट कहती स्लाइड ट्रांजिशन टिके नजर कर दे हो एमएस वर्ड रे जो सेंटर अलाइन करियो हम जो लेखाटा एटी थबो तो सेंटर अलाइन करिया पई केमथि हबो तो शॉर्टकट की कोन ना कंट्रोल प्लस ई मार देबो कंट्रोल धरी ई मार देले कंट्रोल प्लस ई मार देले से सेंटर अलाइन हे जिवो डैश इज एन इंपैक्ट प्रिंटर डॉट मैट्रिक्स प्रिंटर को इंपैक्ट प्रिंटर कहते इतरे किछि जानिबार नै काहा को इंपैक्ट प्रिंटर ना डॉट मैट्रिक्स प्रिंटर भले मन रख दो डॉट मैट्रिक्स प्रिंटर होजी इंपैक्ट प्रिंटर व्हिच अमंग फॉलोइंग इज एन ओपन सोर्स ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम कोडा ओपन सोर्स ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम ना लिनक्स गोटे ओपन सोर्स ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम आ किछि नै माइक्रोसॉफ्ट विंडो नुह विंडोज सर्वर 2000 ब्लैकबेरी केही नुह हैला सेटा होजी लिनक्स गोटे ओपन सोर्स ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन कोन आसला द metal pen like tool with a rubber tip used to interact with the touch screen device is called देखो गोटे पेन भाया थाए जो टच स्क्रीन एमती लिखा हुए पूरा पेन तो आगे रबर भाया थाए कारण स्क्रीन स्क्रैच हेबन बोली सेटा रखा थाए कौन कहती कहती स्टाइलस पेन ऑप्शन नंबर ए जानिच पेन यूज करा जाए कहती स्टाइलस पेन तार कंप्यूटर ना होची स्टाइलस पेन नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इन एमएस एक्सेल डैश रेफरेंस consist of 2 or more cell address separated by a comma कोडा कोए जो गोटे दीटा सेल सेपरेटेड कॉमा द्वारा हिजन ता कोन कहती यूनियन कहती इन एमएस एक्सेल यूनियन रेफरेंस कंसिस्ट ऑफ 2 or more cell addresses separated by a comma डैश इज ए कम्युनिकेशन प्रोटोकॉल फॉर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मेल ट्रांसमिशन ये जो ईमेल करा जाए इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मेल ट्रांसमिशन डैश इज ए कम्युनिकेशन प्रोटोकॉल सेटा होजी एसएमटीपी ऑप्शन नंबर बी हैला ता कोन कहंती फुल फॉर्म कोन एसएमटीपी रो सिंपल मेल ट्रांसफर प्रोटोकॉल हैला एसएमटीपी कोन सिंपल मेल ट्रांसफर प्रोटोकॉल एसएमटीपी ठीक है नजर कर दो एसएमटीपी कोन ना ईमेल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक बा ईमेल रे कम्युनिकेशन प्रोटोकॉल ता कहंती एसएमटीपी द्वारा जेतु होय which option in word helps to reduce spelling error word रे spelling error को ऑप्शन यूज करा जाए सेटा होजी ऑटो करेक्ट ऑप्शन मार देले सी तादर जहा स्पेलिंग एरर थिबो सेटा चेक कर दो गारा मार दो तापर तुम चेक कर दो ये कर दो what will happen if you press the shortcut control plus escape माइल कोन हो control plus escape माइल कोन हो will open the windows start menu control plus escape माइल एटा स्टार्ट मेनू मन ओपन जे एटा शॉर्टकट की हैला next question the default web browser that is available with the windows 10 operating system is dash ta कहंती edg the default web browser that is available in the windows 10 operating system ta कहंती edge one of option number b very important which tab in excel can be used to work with external data source such as microsoft access ta कहंती data tab option number d data tab which tab in excel can use as a used to work as a external data source data tab option number d 1 megabyte is a very simple question in easy question 1 MB is a 124 kb 1 MB equal to 1024 kb 1024 MB equal to 1 GB 1024 GB equal to 1 TB एमती अच्छी है टिके हम कहीदेली the windows that appears below each slide which displays the text description about the slide for the presenter is note pen option number c मन रखियो note pen द कहंती notes pen हैला next dash is an essential internal control in any organization designed to prevent fraud and error ता कहंती segregation of duties option number b segregation of duties next question in microsoft excel the percentage जो अच्छी एमती बटन is available under कोठी ना home आउ next कोन number group एतरे available होची option number c is correct next question in 1979 micro pro international released word processing software called word star के ना माइक्रो प्रो जो 1979 रे लॉन्च कला इंटरनेशनली रिलीज कला वर्ड प्रोसेसिंग सॉफ्टवेयर तारा होची वर्ड स्टार ऑप्शन नंबर ए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन डैश is a measure of a computer performance using in field of a scientific computation that require floating point calculation that is fluffs floating point calculation fluffs okay eta tik nazar kariyo next question the website that is available only within the office network is called a internet site okay next question dash is used for built-in filters and functions to quickly organize summarize and filter large amount of a record ta kondi pivot table is used to build in filter and function quickly organize summarize filter okay ठीक नजर करियो next question very important which table style has alternating rows of a color added to make it easier to see row of data in excel ta kondi banded row option number b banded row color added hela ni zero ta kondi banded row in ms word the option used to save a document under a different name that is called option number b save as In MS Word, the option used to save the document under the default name is called save as. Okay. What is the shortcut key to close a PowerPoint using shortcut? That can be Control plus Q. Control plus Q. Microsoft Excel, the smart lookup tool which is used to get more information on calculation like percentage, is available under the review ribbon. Review ribbon. Review ribbon. Okay. Dash feature of Excel will dynamically produce new outputs when one or more input in the reference cell are changed. That is cell referencing. Option number C, cell referencing. Which option under table of content will enable you to choose whether to have blank space, dot, dash, etc. That is tab leader. Tab leader. What does DSS? DSS full form kona? Decision support system. Option number B, DSS, decision support system. Okay. Dash virus is more marketing focused and may pop up advertisement or direct a user web browser. Option number C is correct, called adware. Adware. Option number C is adware. Next question. In mail merge, the dash block is a combination of several fields such as such as first name, last name, street, city, postal. That address कहते first name ना फा जोड़ बोले सेटा कौन address है वो address. The component on a printer that enable to write, spray or put ink on the paper is called printer head. Option number D, printer head. Which is called a brain of a computer? Central processing unit, CPU, is called brain of a computer. Okay, very important and easy question, always asked in exam. The output device that takes images generated by the computer and display them on two big screen is called projector. पढ़े लाइट भाया गोटे स्क्रीन धड़ा स्क्रीन टंगा होता है गाँव से फिल्म देखते सेटा प्रोजेक्टर कहते है. To duplicate a slide in PowerPoint, choose dash option. Duplicate select side. Option number B is correct. Duplicate select side. To copy series of values in a row and paste it in column format, we use dash in MS Excel. We use paste special transpose. Option number B is correct. Paste special transpose. Okay. Next question. The RAM that we use today as solid state memory was invented by, very important question, that is option number B, Robert Dennard. जो RAM बाहर ची तो की बाहर करते ना Robert Dennard. Next question. The video output port VGA कौन कहती? Video graphics RE. Short form सब पता जी, video graphics RE. The list of reference or source which is consulted or cited in creating the document can be displayed using the feature called bibliography. Option number B, bibliography. Okay. The hide slide option in PowerPoint जो hide slide option अच्छी will hide dash during the slideshow. कहाँ को hide कर दे slideshow समय selected slide. एटा को सिलेक्ट कर देलो एटा को देखिबोनी हैला. Selected slides. Next question. Data in dash memory cannot be modified. Data in a ROM memory cannot be modified. Random orbit memory. The drive encryption feature built into Windows computer is called BitLocker. जो drive encryption होती feature built to Windows computer is called BitLocker. which among following is an operating system? MS DOS is operating system. What will happen when you press window key plus m, w plus m? ताको कौन दी? It will minimize open application. Open जो application ताको minimize कर दो, बाहर रे रखियो. हैला. Next question. Which orientation that allows you to print text based document with a vertical layout? ताको कौन दी? Portrait कौन दी? हैला. Portrait. In MS Word, which group contains commands to view the ruler, grid lines, thumbnail, etc? That कौन थी? Show hide. Option number D. Show hide. What will Shift plus F7? Important. Shift plus F7 do in Word application. That कौन थी? Open the thesaurus. Option number B. Open the thesaurus. In MS Excel, a group of cells are called as a range. In MS Excel, a group of cells are called as a range. Option number B. Dash is a standard network protocol used for the transfer of computer files between a client and a server in a computer network. That कौन दी? FTP. FTP. ताको कौन दी? File transfer protocol. File transfer protocol, FTP. Okay. Next question. Dash command in office button is used to send a copy of the document to email or internet fax. ता कौन दी? Send हो. It is send option थी. वो send मार देलो पड़ेला. ये तो कथा बता दियो. Dash function is used to determine the number of cells in a range that contain a count. Count function numeric entry जो हो रहे ता कौन दी? Count function काम करे. What does EIS stands for? Executive Information System. EIS, Executive Information System. The file extension of a compressed file in the window operating system is zip. Zip. हैला compress करेगा तो कौन दी? Zip. Where can you find slide master option in MS PowerPoint? MS PowerPoint में slide master option टा कोड पे हो ना? view slide master. Option number A. In mail merge, which of the following option is used to prepare a batch of a letter for a mass mailing? ताको कौन दी? Form of letter. गोटे form of letter ला ताको mass mailing कर दो. समझती select कर दो. समझते बागो पड़ेला. The second generation of a computer is known as a era of a transistor. Second generation जो transistor use हुआ आरंभ वाला, है Next question. To find the maximum of a range of marks named math, the formula will be max, है B. Max math, है Which wizard will help you to create chart in Microsoft Excel? ये चार्ट करेगा फिर हम चार्ट विजार्ड रे चार्ट करिए को हेल्प करे. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. the pointing device that is embedded in a laptop is called a touchpad. है ऑप्शन नंबर बी. Which memory requires power to maintain the stored information? Random access memory, RAM. Dividing the physical hard disk memory into logical memory is called partitions. Partitions कले सेटा कौन है? अलग अलग है जाए. Partition तो अलग है. Next question. The solid line that represents the outer edge of a document is called border. Which among following operating system is command line based? कौन कौन दी? MS DOS. Option number C. The component that contains the pin which print a dot in an impact printer is called print head. Option number B. Print head. The term ISP in computer network stands for ISP रे full form कौन? Internet Service Provider. Option number B. ये समझते जानती. Dash helps to expose identified and unidentified vulnerability that can be used by the virus to spread in the system. ता कौन दी? Penetration testing. What is the shortcut key to duplicate a slide in MS PowerPoint? ताको कहते Control plus D. Control plus D कौन गोटे shortcut key duplicate करिवो slide की हैला. Next question. In Microsoft PowerPoint, you can display the slide as the thumbnail to apply transition and timing easily using the dash view option, solid shutter view option. To forward the email for one user as an attachment to another user in Outlook, we use more forward as a attachment. Option number B. Which key allow you to invoke paste special dialog box in MS application? Control plus Alt plus V. हैला MS application रे invoke paste special dialog box होची Control Alt plus V. The computer storage concept RAID stands for RAID. RAID stands for redundant array of independent disk. Option number A ठीक नजर कर दबो redundant array of independent disks. What is the shortcut key to end a presentation? Escape होची shortcut key to end a presentation. EEPROM is also known as a flash memory. Option B, flash memory. The term hypertext was coined by Ted Nelson. Hypertext आस्तला तो की बार करते ना Ted Nelson. Which among following option is used to launch a PowerPoint in full screen mode? Full screen mode रे कोटा PowerPoint use करे साजे का सामने slide show. Option A, slide show. In MS Word, dash menu allows insertion of a citation and a bibliography. Insertion of citations and bibliography. In MS Word, a reference menu allows you to insertion. In Microsoft Word, the page break option are available under which ribbon? Same question repeat kala. Print layout ribbon, page setup group. Option number D. Same question barambar repeat करची. To generate number series in MS Excel, we can use the dash option. सेटा होची autofill option. जदि मो चैनल भल लागुची प्लीज लाइक करिवे, सब्सक्राइब करिवे, कमेंट निश्चिंत करिवे, सांगा मान सहित शेयर करिवे हैला. आउ एमती मु कंटेंट आगु बहुत किछि आनिबी, पढा पढी चलिबो एमती हैला. हो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. द स्पेलिंग एंड ग्रामर फीचर uses dash to indicate spelling mistakes. Wavy and a underline. Option number B. The spelling and grammar feature uses wavy and underline to indicate spelling mistake. Hela. Next question. The file system developed by Microsoft is NTFS. Option number C. Which shortcut key is used to select entire text? Entire text to select करे गले Control plus A मार दबो. Control plus A होंजी entire text को select कर दो. Dash are miniature chart that summarize worksheet data in a single cell. कौन sparkline. Option B. Sparkline are miniature chart summarize spreadsheet data in a single cell. Chart sparkline. What is IRC? IRC is the Internet Relay Chat. IRC full form Internet Relay Chat. In MS Excel, to format cell based on some condition, we use home conditional formatting. Option number B, home conditional formatting. While working in MS Excel, you want to keep certain columns and rows in a fix so that you can scroll other rows and columns. Which feature MS Excel will help? That is freeze pen. पढ़िकार पढ़थला आ पूर्व शिफ्ट रे freeze pen. In MS Word, which office button command is used to publish the document as a blog? It's called publish. Question number next question. Which among following operating system uses protected memory architecture and is developed by Apple? Apple द्वारा के Mac operating system. Option number C. Dash is an electronic device for registering and calculating transaction connected to computer running inventory or sales computer application. It's called cash register. Cash register is an electronic device for registering and calculating transactions. Dash virus has been named after the Greek mythology story of the siege of Troy. That is called Trojan horse. Trojan horse. Greek mythology बढ़िया question. In Microsoft PowerPoint, Dash Gallery displays the combination of effects that is applied to the shape on the slide by each of themes. It's called effects. In Microsoft PowerPoint, effects gallery displays. The device that connects with your telephone line and translates data from the internet to your computer is called modem. The portable device that can store all your office document is called USB drive. Option number C. What is the advantage of HTTPS over HTTP? That is security. Next question. Who is known as the father of the computer? Charles Babbage is called father of computer. Next question. In MS Excel, to warp an extra long text into multiple line, we use home plus warp text. Option number C. In MS Word, the split table option is available under layout ribbon merge group. Option number A. What kind of a device is barcode reader? जो barcode reader जो एमती गारा गारा गोटे बिस्किट किनला एमती गारा गारा थाए ताको मशीन रे पकेइ देला से ताको रीड कर देला सेटा गोटे कोन सेटा गोटे इनपुट डिवाइस हैला In Microsoft Word the styles group is available in which ribbon? That is home ribbon रे अछि styles group या पूर्व क्वेश्चन रे पढला You are receiving reports from many branch offices and you want to create a summary of all these reports for your head office. Which of the following help you in MS Excel? MS Excel रे की help करियो ना consolidate. Option number A. What is MUD mod in computer? Mod computer mod को full form कोन ना multi user dimension. Option number C. Very important, very important. Multi user dimension mod. The two University of Pennsylvania professor John Mosley and John Presper ECAT built the device ENIAC. ENIAC की divide करछि ना US रे जे Pennsylvania अछि तादर के John Mosley आ professor ECAT ENIAC divide एस रे ENIAC invent करियंती build करियंती ENIAC device. Next question. In MS PowerPoint control plus A कोन select all slide in presentation. Option number B. Select all slide in presentation control plus A. Magnetic disc is divided into concentric circle known as tracks. Option number B. Tracks. You can view and change your system setting using control panel. Option number B. Which tab contains command for formatting the text, editing the document and to perform operations such as a cut, copy and paste? That is home. Option number B. Which among following option will give you the details of the file size? किए file size भितर details दबो जेतेबेले right click on the file जेतेल करियो की दबो ना properties दबो properties file history से केते memory केते जगह नै जी कोन सब दबो properties. Dash refers to software or technology which people can modify and share because its design is publicly accessible. It's called open source. ताको open source कहंदी. Which among following is a cloud storage service offered by Microsoft? ताको कहंदी OneDrive. Option number D. OneDrive. To prevent Excel from changing the cell reference in a formula, you need to place dash sign before and after the column letter. That is $sign. This sign used. Dash show the comments and formatting changes in print preview. Balloons show the comment and formatting changes in a print preview. What is the shortcut key to go to the next slide in MS PowerPoint? MS PowerPoint next slide is page down कहंदी. Option number C. Page down. consistently monitoring and scanning application audit logs to prevent malicious activity or policy violation is called intrusion detection system. Option number D, intrusion detection system. Which type of software is used for creating slideshow? That is presentation software. The device that is used to convert printed documents into digital image is called scanner. Scan कौन करियो ना printed जिनिस पके देले scan करी ताको digital कर दो. In MS Word, dash document view shows the entire page the user is working on, the including margins, header, footer information, that is print layout. Option number A. Dash is a way of emphasizing the text with the first letter being made big enough to run in 2 to 3 lines, that is drop cap. Option number A. The video output format HDMI stands for high definition multimedia interface. Option number C, high definition multimedia interface. Which shortcut key is used to select the text from the current position to the end of the line, that is shift plus end. The file system supported by Windows operating system is called FAT32. Windows operating system file system को FAT32 कहते हैं. FAT32. Which what is the shortcut key to hide the selected row in MS Excel? सेटा वो Ctrl+9 है. The text alignment option that allows you to distribute your text evenly between the margin is called justify. What is the expansion of a COBOL? COBOL full form कौन ना common business oriented language. Common business oriented language. Option number A. Dash category of a software is primarily commercial software that can be bought, leased or licensed from the vendor developer in the term of ownership, that is proprietary. Which tool in the Word used when the document is done and the user is working with others to make a revision or provide feedback, that is review track changes. Option number A. Name the memory that acts as a buffer between CPU and main memory, that is called cache. Option number B. Which among following is the first computer with a single circuit board? Apple 1 is the first computer with a single circuit board. In Microsoft Word, which of the following mail merge option is used to create a single document that contains an address list, that is catalog. A researcher at antivirus firm study and stimulate the behavior of a virus by using dash virtual machine based environment, that is sandbox. Option number C, and sandbox virtual machine based environment. Which among the following is a web based storage where you can upload a large file and then share with other user with their email ID, that is Google Drive. Next question. Dash enables Excel to dynamically produce new output when one or more input in the reference cell are changed, that is cell reference. Which among following is a video output port found in PC? That is VGA. Video graphics RE. You can add a table Microsoft Word from the dash tab, that is insert tab. In MS Word, the footnotes group is available under dash ribbon, reference ribbon. Which among the following utility from the administrative tool helps you to access system tools, disk management and services, that is computer management, option number B. You can add sequential numbers to the data in Excel by using field handle, option number D. Which software utility is used to compress file in computer? That is WinZap. It is the same question repeat करछी हो. In MS PowerPoint dash office button, command is used to view the presentation properties, encrypted document, restrict permission, etc. That is prepare, option number D. NIC stand for Network Interface Card. NIC, Network Interface Card. To print all the worksheet in a workbook at one time, select a dash option in the print setting. Print entire workbook option in the print setting रे select कले कौन होगा ना worksheet वा workbook at one time print होगा. The group of cell that you select to perform an operation is called cell range, option C. Cell range. Next question. What kind of a device is projector? That is a output device is a projector. हला से कौन करे से छाड़े से तुम्हें से गोटे आउटपुट से पकाला गोटे स्क्रीन ऊपर सेटा चलला सेठी मूवी चलला एनी जिंस ऊपर चलला सेटा को प्रोजेक्टर कहंती. Dash is used to track all the change made to the document, that is called tracking, option number C. In MS Excel, which feature helps us to color the mark as a red and green for fail and pass? Very important, very interesting question, that is conditional formatting. In MS Excel जो रेड ठीक कर देले रेड सॉरी ग्रीन भूल गले रेड जो आसे सेटा कोन पई एटा होंची कंडीशनल फॉर्मेटिंग रे आसे, ऑप्शन नंबर ए. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. यू कैन डिलीट ए फाइल परमानेंटली विदाउट मूविंग टू रिसाइकल बिन बाय प्रेसिंग शिफ्ट प्लस डिल, ऑप्शन नंबर डी. शिफ्ट प्लस डिलीट. Which among following is an example of an e-commerce website? That is amazon.com is a e-commerce website. You can add blurred text like confidential, do not copy or pictures such as a logo behind the text of a Word document using the watermark option. Watermark option. Okay. Which among following utilities from the administrative tool helps you choose the Windows startup option such as a normal, diagnostic, selective startup? That is answer is system configuration, option number D. System configuration. Okay. The key combination that opens the file explorer in Windows is called Window plus E. Window plus E. In MS Excel, the cell in sixth row and third column named as a C6. Sixth row, third column. Hela C6. What is the full form of HTTP? Hypertext Transfer Protocol. कहतली पढ़िथला परीक्षा रे. The process that antivirus software performs to isolate the files that are infected by the virus is called quarantine. एकाकी रखिबा ताकू. We can refresh the connection outside the webbook in Excel using data connection, option number B. Which type of a selection break helps to start a new section on the same page in Microsoft Word? That is continuous. In MS Word, the header and footer group is available in the insert tab, option A. Insert tab रे थाए. ALU रो full form कोन? Arithmetic Logic Unit. ALU रो full form. The gaps created in the hard drive memory while deleting files over the period of time is called मेमोरी फ्रैगमेंटेशन मेमोरी फ्रैगमेंटेशन खंड विखंडित हवा हैला which among following is a device that is used to connect more number of LANs that is router is used to connect more number of LANs local area network. The dash controls the way in which the computer system functions and provide the means by which user can interact with the computer that is operating system option number B. In Microsoft Word footnotes and endnote option is used to provide additional information एटा व्यवहार करे जे additional information कहा विषय रे ना ओडिट डॉक्यूमेंट विषय रे हैला ऑप्शन नंबर बी the text alignment option that will move the text horizontally between the side margin is called center which electronic components are used in fourth generation computer that is VLSI microprocessor option number A VLSI microprocessor. A cell whose value is used in other cell is called precedent cell. Next question. You can lock your computer by pressing dash shortcut key. Window plus L is locked your computer. It's a shortcut key. Dash option in Microsoft Word allows you to link chat or graphic to other parts of the same document. The कौन थी very interesting. The कौन थी cross reference option number C. In MS PowerPoint, the compare option is available in which menu? In review menu. In a review menu. Dash is a pointed arrow that represents the location on the screen that you want to select. That is mouse cursor. Okay. Next question. Which among the following output ports give you 4K resolution? HDMI 2.0. HDMI 2.0. Which is the shortcut key to invoke font formatting in MS Word? That is Control plus Shift plus F. Option number A. Next question. You can get the workbook insights such as a count of a sheet, cell with the data table. It's using dash option, workbook statistics option. Option number A. Next question. You can insert process diagram and a hierarchy diagram using the dash feature in the Microsoft Word using the Smart Add feature. Smart Add feature. The logical separation of a physical hard disk is called partition. Option number D. Partition. Which among following utilities from the administrative tool helps you to get detailed information about your computer hardware resources, component and software environment? That is called system information. Option A. In Microsoft Word, dash option will show the comments and formatting change in print pivot. That is track changes. Option number C. Track changes. Which among following port are used to device such as a pen drive, keyboard and a mouse? That is USB. Option number C. USB. You can keep the top row of the table visible while scrolling across the worksheet by selecting freeze top row option. Option number B. Freeze top row option. You can open the run command dialog box by pressing dash key combination by pressing window plus R key combination. What is the full form of MBPS? MBPS full form megabyte per second. Okay. The word option that allows you to change the color behind the selected text paragraph and tables is called shading. Option number D. Shading. Okay. It's called shading. The network security system that monitor and filter the data packet based on a set of security policy is called firewall. Firewall. When table spread across more than a page, which option can be used to automatically repeat the first row of the table on each page at the practice question देखिदेले परीक्षा आसीबो. Repeat row header. Which among following is a pointing device used in computer? Pointing device किए? Pointing device is mouse. जहाँ हम वर्तमान चलाऊँ जेटा होंगे pointing device. Next question. ANSI कौन? American National Standard Institute. A option number A. ANSI. Dash displays information about the currently active document. कोटा कहे? सेटा होंगे status bar. एटी जो तले जो अच्छी ता कौन दी? कौन कौन चाली एक्टिव अच्छे एटा देखेबो. In MS PowerPoint 2007, which group allows insertion of a picture clip at picture from photo album shape and charts? That's called illustration. Illustrations. Which generation of a computer introduced parallel processing and supercomputer? That is 5th generation. You can add notes about the specific portion of a document using the dash option from the insert tab and Word document. That is comment. Using comment option. Dash occurs when a file is broke off into the pieces to fit on the disk. That is called disk fragmentation. Bhangi jiva. Dash is a supplementary memory system which stores frequently used instruction and data for quicker processing. It's called cache memory. Which among following is an example of a social networking site? It's called facebook.com. What is the shortcut key used to permanent delete? पूरा permanent delete ही जो तक shortcut कौन? Shift plus delete. खाली delete जो स्विच तक मार दे delete होगा recycle पिन को पड़ेगा. Shift plus delete माने total उड़ी जाओ किसी नहीं मिलेगा. In Microsoft Excel, dash allows you to apply specific formatting only when certain criteria are met. That is called conditional formatting. In Microsoft Excel, conditional formatting allows you to apply specified formatting. The key that is used to cancel dialog or pop-up in Windows is called escape. Option number B. A delimited file contains data fields separated by special character. Option number A. In table of content, which option decide whether to have blank space, dots, dashes, or solid question repeat kara solid line between the heading and the page number? It's called table leader. Option number C. एटा शेष क्वेश्चन थिला. ओके जदि वीडियो भल लगुच प्लीज लाइक करेंगे मत टे सब्सक्राइब करेंगे सांग मान सहित शेयर करेंगे मुझे बढ़िया बढ़िया वीडियो आनी जिते एग्जाम हो ता रिव्यू करी आई रिव्यू क्वेश्चन बारंबार परीक्षा रिपीट कर तो जीके करी जीके टोटाल उपर करी मो प्ले लिस्ट जाई देखिपारे आप. रहुची धन्यवाद.